There's something magical about a screaming two-stroke engine that nothing else can replicate. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 keeps that legendary spirit alive, and it's better than ever. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're exploring Yamaha's iconic lightweight motocross machine and discovering why it continues dominating tracks worldwide. Design. Starting with design, the YZ125 maintains that aggressive racing DNA Yamaha is famous for. The slim chassis keeps weight remarkably low while providing excellent rider ergonomics. Updated graphics give it a fresh, modern appearance that looks fast even parked. The narrow profile allows incredible freedom of movement when attacking corners or navigating technical sections. This bike means business. Performance. Performance is where this two-stroke truly shines. That legendary 125cc engine delivers exhilarating power with an unmistakable sound that never gets old. The power delivery rewards skilled throttle control while teaching valuable riding techniques. Lightweight handling makes the YZ125 incredibly flickable through tight sections. It's pure, raw motorcycling at its finest. Features and technology. The technology packed into this machine impresses. Fully adjustable suspension components allow precise tuning for different tracks and rider preferences. The reliable braking system provides consistent stopping power lap after lap. A robust clutch handles aggressive riding without complaint. Yamaha refined every component for maximum performance and durability. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves two strokes remain incredibly relevant. It's affordable, lightweight, and delivers pure riding joy that larger bikes simply cannot match. What's your take on two strokes versus four strokes? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and share it with fellow riders. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and ring that notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the track.